If you want to make sure every important email is tracked directly inside your CRM without having to copy and paste or do manual data entry, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to log emails in HubSpot using your unique BCC or forwarding address. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to automatically record both outgoing and incoming emails to the right contact records, so nothing slips through the cracks. Let's dive in. First, you need to retrieve your personal logging address. This is a unique email address HubSpot gives you, and it's the magic key to getting emails logged automatically. Inside your HubSpot dashboard, head up to the top right and click on the little gear icon. That's your settings. It's easy to miss, but it's what opens up all your account options. Once you're in settings, look over to the left sidebar and click into General, then Email. Scroll down just a bit until you see the section called Logging Emails. Here, you'll find what's called your BCC address, and sometimes a separate forwarding address. Both do almost the same thing for different types of emails, and really, this is your direct line into HubSpot's records. Click Copy next to the address. Don't worry, you can always come back and grab this again if you need it later, but having it copied now makes the next steps easier. Now, let's log an outgoing email using BCC. Say you're writing to a client from Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail. It doesn't matter what program you use, this works them all. Before you hit send, simply paste your HubSpot logging address into the BCC field. If you're new to BCC, just remember, BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy, which means nobody else, not even your client, sees this address. So your email looks totally normal, but HubSpot receives a silent copy and files it away automatically. When you send, the message gets attached to the contact records for everyone in the To and CC fields. This means if you're emailing two colleagues and your client, that email is saved under each of their contact records inside HubSpot. It's a great way to keep all your communications tracked and connected without extra hassle. What if you want to log an email someone sent you? Maybe a lead wrote back with a question, or a customer sent feedback. In your regular email client, open up their message and hit forward. In the To field, paste that same HubSpot logging address and send it off. Think of this like forwarding a helpful note to your digital file cabinet. HubSpot will attach it to the contact record for whoever wrote the original email. So even if the conversation starts elsewhere, you can make sure it's recorded in HubSpot where you need it. Here are some key things to keep in mind as you use this feature. First, HubSpot tries to link each email to the correct contact using the unique email addresses in your To, CC, From, or Original Sender fields. If it doesn't find the right contact and your settings allow, HubSpot may even create a new contact for you, so there's less chance of anything being missed. Your email won't just get attached to a contact. HubSpot will also link it to related company records and any open deals, so you get a complete picture in your CRM. One more reassuring detail. If you're using BCC, recipients never see your special logging address. That privacy is built in, so no need to worry about looking odd or revealing your CRM workflow. And if you want to control exactly how emails are logged, which records get updated, or how private your logs are, you can adjust all those settings back in the general email area under Logging Settings. Take a moment to explore those options when you have time. And that's it. Using your BCC or forwarding address is one of the simplest, most reliable ways to keep your email history organized in HubSpot without lifting a finger after setup. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, let me know if you have questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy logging.